how you can add desktop icons on your desktop. That is how you can add apps on your home screen of your PC. So before I show you guys how to do that, if you are new to our channel, just hit down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. And also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let us start. First step is just going on to the all apps on your desktop. Just tap on start and just open all apps, or you can directly search for the app that you want on your home screen too. Just search for it. I'm gonna go with CapCut right here. Now what you can do is just drag and drop it on your desktop. It's that simple, guys. As you can see, now I have the app right here and I can use it however I want. So that was pretty simple. That is how you do it, guys. Thank you for watching. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.